Ananda, and this is my 2017 Triumph Street Twin. I'm here at British Customs today. They just came up with these beautiful Predator carbon pipes. This is a limited edition, the black one, but they're going to be unlimitedly available and brushed and polished. They hit me up and they asked if I want to try this on my bike, and I was like, hell yeah. So now let's just put them on and see what kind of music they can play. So I just unscrewed the pipe. I'm going to remove it and then we're going to weight them and see if there is any difference. So it's not that heavy, but it's heavy. But I think this one is lighter. So let's see. So now we're going to weight them and see how much lighter this one is, if it's any lighter. So let's see. So this is the old pipes. 4.5 pounds. And now let's see the BC ones. 2.4, so it's half of the weight. Alright, so we are done with the installation. Quick and simple. Now let's fire up and see how it sounds.